medical specialists as well as engineers and doctors. I wanted to go back to some basics. One is that we are worried about gaseous pollution more than liquid pollution and solid effluents, which also we need to sort of bring in to the dialogue. The other is that there is a lot of chemistry that takes place after these gases come out into the ground level because what's happening at the upper atmosphere is not a worry. So we have nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxides, and of course we have volatile compounds, we have moisture, we have dust, and sunlight. So a lot of reactions are taking place, which are what the two panelists have earlier referred to. So we need to, once we understand this, that all this is happening because of factors like vehicles, because of industries, because of construction, because of whatever else is happening, including burning of leaves or burning of stalks in Haryana and Punjab. All that is contributing to this. Where do we bring in technology to try and address these issues? I think in industry at least, we have a mechanism by which we have regulations, we have legislation, and her institute has been promoting and pioneering a lot of work in that, in trying to bring to focus what type of standard we need to have and how to implement it, how to measure it, how to monitor it, and how to perhaps even if there is a big violation, how to be able to pin down the violator and perhaps I will say put some control on them. But for other things, we seem to be just continuing and then declaring 3 days off in schools or something is a measure which is a panic reaction type of thing.
It's a temporary failure, we can say.
On the indoor air quality, I must tell you that we now do have purifiers which a number of people are able to afford, a number of people not able to afford, but then they do remove a lot of dust particles, and because of that, particulate matter, etc., that there is a clear feeling of an improvement as far as the indoor atmosphere is concerned. But then in the outdoor, yes, we are continuing to face what the rest of the population is facing. And the point that Professor Sharma was making, that a person is cycling, therefore he's breathing more heavily. His own house may be having a lot of, because if it's a one-room tenement, cooking is taking place there, living is taking place there, so he is anyway exposed to a lot more gases. And we also release a lot of carbon monoxide. That's something which we somehow tend to ignore because it is odorless, it is colorless, everything. Carbon monoxide is there and it's a big problem. So all these are issues, and I do hope that an institute like the IIT or say the NEERI or others do take up the technology interventions for ensuring that we have solutions emerging as we create problems. I merely tell my friends who are into chemical engineering that there are only two types of chemical engineers: those who create issues that become problems, or those who could work towards solutions. And my colleagues who are in NEERI, etc., I think are the ones who are trying to find solutions.
So working in